Yeah, like me.
Good, Mason. Way to work. Hustle back, hustle back. That's group. Let's go to your left. We're head up. On one, down. Set, hey!
The goal is to start off at least 4-0. Because that's something we haven't been able to do as Ridgeview, is start off 4-0, and it's kind of what we want to do. And then at least win a couple big games in there that we need for conference and be able to be in that top 4 and make playoffs.
Stay low, Henry. Stay low. Oh man, that's not gonna be hard enough to get through end zone.
We gotta play hard, fast, and physical every play.
Go, come on. Come on.
We want a winning record for sure, top seed in the district. We got high expectations out of this team. We got a bunch of returning starters and really quarterback one more year under the system and all. So I don't know, I'm expecting big things out of us.
Here, slide up. Slide. I gotta get some depth. Back out. Roger. There it is. Stop running!
A lot of leadership, considering I'm the quarterback and senior this year, so I just have to lead the team and pretty much push for excellence, and hopefully we have a better record than last year. I love it. He's kind of like a father figure to me, and I get along with him really well. And it's just awesome playing with him. He's like one of the kids out here, but then he still knows when to be serious and push us to be our best.
Maintain that focus. You know, they really carried it on to practice these past 3 days. It's been pretty tough. This week and a half has been tough on them, and we're going to start, you know, scaling back here. But you know, they're hard workers and they embrace it. Our leadership, our speed. You know, if we can play physical football, I think we're going to be pretty good. But you know, overall, just the mindset of these kids. You know, they're willing to win. Staying injury-free, obviously. A small school like this, you know, we don't have the luxury of having 80 kids out. You know, so the kids that we do have, got to keep them healthy. One way or the other, you know, if that's, you know, scaling back in practice or what that may be. But the other thing is just, you know, doing our job, you know, going out and believing that we can win every game that we go out and, you know, and actually believing that and just taking care of business that way. Now we got quite a few. You obviously have your seniors that have come back that, you know, obviously know about, but Logan Richard, you know, he didn't play a lot of receiver, but he's going to. He's going to be a heck of a football player. And then Peyton Boyle, I think he's going to step up and play well. You know, and obviously the you know, Mason Johnson, you know, you got your Ryan Gardoff, your Matt Wandry, your Michael Tiefenthaler, all those guys, you know, they're going to step up and play well for us, you know. And Johnny Kaufmel, you know, he had a great sophomore season. You know, I'm looking for him to have a good junior year as well.